Hi, my name is Charlotte. And I'm Jordan, and we have the Superfood Noni, so we're going to make a Polynesian Noni smoothie. So first ingredient is to add 1/4 cup of Noni juice. Then we'll add a couple strawberries. We're going to do 1 banana chopped. We'll add half a cup of pineapple. We're going to add a handful of spinach, or you could use kale. We'll do 1 tablespoon of honey. And then we're going to do a 1/4 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then for your base, you could use ice cream, milk, water, juice. Today we're going to use water, filter. Fill it about 3/4 of the way. And then you're going to take your blender and blend it until smooth. Now this is a little watery, so you could add like ice cream or like more milk to thicken it, or add more ingredients. But that's what we got.
Thank you for watching our Noni smoothie video.